Hi friends, welcome. We'll learn about SQLite database and we'll be using PHP to manage our database so we can develop small applications. Now in this, first we'll learn how to check the PHP support available for our SQLite database, and if it is not available, how to enable it, how to verify the support, and then develop small applications. So we'll see the how to package it by using different menu and footer. So a small application which will help us in further learning. But before we move, my request is please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so you'll be notified as and when we'll add new tutorials, and we are frequently doing that also. Let's start the script. I am in my local host. So here in the left side I have the editor and the right side browser window will see the output. So first I am entering the command printing phpinfo. This will tell me about my total PHP installation. I am just saving this, and the same file test.php, localhost test.php, I am refreshing. See, the entire PHP installation is now displayed by reading all the data whatever is there. So PHP version at the top, then all the configuration here. I can search for SQLite here wherever it is, but if otherwise I can just Control F. I am searching for SQLite. So here it is. You can see these two are here, PDO MySQL and PDO SQLite. So PDO, these two are enabled. By using PHP data object or PDO, we can connect to 11 different databases. So here two are enabled. So MySQL and SQLite both are available. In addition to that also, I have another library, that is SQLite3. Let me just search it again. Here it is, SQLite3. This is also I can use to connect to SQLite database, but this is only for the PHP to SQLite. It is not through PDO. So both have its own advantage and other way also. So because if you are changing the database frequently, then PDO is a common data abstract layer, so it will help us. But though we rarely change our database, so SQLite3 is specifically to the SQLite from PHP. If you found that these supports are not available, so then how will to make it enable? So for that we have to open the php.ini file. So I am here in my XAMPP server. So here it is, the control panel. I will just open the config. Inside that php.ini. If you are not using XAMPP server or any other thing, you could just search for php.ini file. It will be inside your Windows or whatever system path is there. Open this file. Inside this php.ini file, search for the SQLite again. Control F, SQLite. We'll go to, here it is. You can see all the SQLite 3 extension is available. So here the left side, the semicolon is not there. If it is all wherever semicolon is there, that extension is not available. So here it is not that. So SQLite 3 is available. Before that, let's just see the PDO also. Just above it, you can see here SQLite PDO. This is also available because the left side semicolon is not there. If it is there, just remove it, save it, and restart the system. From our script also, we can tell the user whether the support is available or not. So we gave our file to someone else to run it in their environment. So they can also check it. Our script will check and tell that whether the SQLite support is available or not. For that, what you will do is var dump. So this is the variable we are just dumping. PDO columns. Now get available driver. So this will tell us the fine. So now this will tell us that whatever the drivers available. Let me just save this. This side again the same file I am refreshing. You can see this returns me an array. So this is the array output. So there are MySQL and SQLite is there. So by let me just zoom out a bit. So it will be in one line. Yeah. So now what you will do is we will use one if condition, and using that condition will give the output whether suppose in our script we want that this driver should be available, PDO SQLite. So it is not there, we can give a message to the user to make it enable. So for that I am just using a if condition. If now not condition, I am using in array. So in array will search inside the array for presence of an element. This is a PHP function. So in array, now what I am using searching is SQLite. So this exact match I am using. Now what I will be using here is the same one, PDO get available driver. Up to this point I am putting it here. Now I am going for a strict, so true. So strict search I am going. Now this, in this case, now let me just zoom out a bit, so it will be in one line. Okay, now here again I am putting, if it is not there, then I will say echo driver is PDO SQLite support is not available, else. Now I will say fine, go ahead, this is there. Or you, if you don't want to give a message, same thing. So I will say here echo available. So this is support is available. This is, so based on what is available, I can give the message. Let me just give this message in font color equal to green. So gives a green color, and I will end the font here. Fine. So let me just save this, refresh this page. Okay, sorry, here I have to SQLite PDO get able true. I have missed probably in array one. Let's refresh this. So PDO support is here. You can see PDO support is available, is in a green. I can just give a line break before that also. So this particular code, if I'll include it in my script at the top, and accordingly I can give sorry, it's not POD, it's PDO, PHP data object. So PDO support is available. Now the same way I can give it I can give a message before running my script that this support is available or not. That's all, friends. Hope you have a good learning experience, and if you have any doubts, suggestions, questions, use the comment section below to post it. And my request is, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so you'll be notified as and when we are adding new tutorials, and we are frequently doing it. So please share this with your friends, and thank you for watching.